Perdoo now also integrates with Microsoft Power BI. Setting up the integration is easy, but you do need to have administrator rights. Go into Configure, head over to the Integrations tab, and then select Power BI. You see that we have a two-way integration with Power BI. The outbound integration lets you build your own reports and dashboards in Power BI by connecting Perdoo to your Power BI account. This integration we've had for a while. New is the inbound integration, which lets you connect Power BI to your Perdoo account, and then you can use any dataset in Power BI to automatically update progress for your goals in Perdoo. If you don't see this option right here, then simply send us a message via the in-app chat and simply request access to our new Power BI integration. Once you have access to the inbound Power BI integration, simply click on Enable Integration. That will open a pop-up, and then you need to authenticate your Power BI account. And then I'll show you how to set up the integration. Let me just open a goal. So I've opened the key result now, and here on the right-hand side, you see integration. And now Power BI will be available here as well. When I click on Power BI, I can then choose the data set. I can write a DAX query. And then when I hit save, Power BI will automatically update progress for this key result in Perdoo. The integration will run once a day.